Welcome back. Today we're diving into step 2 of our Land Rover Defender D110 build, strictly in Camel Trophy style. This project is proudly supported by Hikari RC and Modellbau Berlinski. In this episode, we're pushing boundaries. I'll be putting Hikari RC colors to the test using some unconventional techniques to see how they handle heavy weathering and non-standard applications. Let's get into it. First up, the preliminary phase. I'm applying a layer of clear primer. This is a crucial step to ensure maximum paint adhesion and durability for the layers to come. Next, we move to the black base. I'm applying this without too much caution in areas where I want deeper shadows or where the final washes will settle. It's all about building depth from the bottom up. Now for the iconic color. We start with a warm yellow base. This creates a 3D illusion by providing a darker tonal underlayer. Once that's set, we transition to a lighter yellow, much closer to the official Camel Trophy competition hue. A quick tip: don't aim for a showroom finish here. You might notice some mistakes or unevenness, but on this rugged project, those imperfections actually help characterize the scale realism of the model. Time to get dirty. Here's where we start using the paints in unconventional ways. I'm looking for randomness and damage rather than perfection. Using a simple sponge, I'm dabbing on lighter shades to create a matte, oxidized look, simulating sun-damaged paint and caked on trail dust. To bring out the details, I'm using monochrome markers. I've used these for a long time, and they're perfect for mimicking exposed metal where the paint has been completely scraped off. Again, feel free to be a bit rough, real off-roaders aren't pampered. Finally, the most transformative step, the first wash. We're testing Hikari RC colors again in an unusual way. I've heavily diluted the black paint to create a custom wash, spreading it across the entire body. I'm focusing on the crevices where natural shadows would fall. At this stage, we don't need sharp definition, we just need to start highlighting the deepest parts of the sculpt. And that's a wrap for this session. These heavy washes take quite a while to dry properly. If you enjoyed this deep dive into RC weathering and you're curious to see the final result, stay tuned. If you're not doing it already, make sure to follow the channel and hit that notification bell. See you in the next step.